Now let us talk about some portfolio contracts, which are long-term contracts, strategic in nature. What is the basic purpose of a portfolio contract? A portfolio approach to supply contracts is when a buyer or a retailer actually signs multiple contracts at the same time. It optimizes the expected profit and reduces the risk. So what actually happens? Retailer and manufacturer, of course, manufacturer would initiate such type of a contract, and retailer would actually be signing different contracts at that point of time. What is different in those contracts? Those contracts actually differ in their price and level of flexibility hedge against inventory, shortage, and spot price risk. So manufacturer would actually have defined that what would be the spot risk, that is in case of shortage, how can he actually provide or arrange it and what price? Or in case retailer needs a higher quantity, what would be the impact of it on the cost for those additional units? What would be the flexibility in terms of like updating that, okay, you placed an order today, after how many days you can update it? And after that, I will not take the update. So you need to confirm it. There would be different levels of confirmation or updation of that contract. So there would be different contracts, and the buyer or the retailer would actually be signing all of those contracts. Point is, he would be executing one out of those portfolio of contracts. So that is something which actually provides a flexibility. It is meaningful for commodity products, a large pool of suppliers, each with different type of contracts. So here, the situation is such that there would be competing manufacturers actually who wanted to give their product, which is a commodity product, to the retailer. Retailer might be some specialty retailer here or some big or giant retailer. For example, Walmart. For example, any hypermarket. So manufacturer actually wants their product to be with that retailer. That case, portfolio contracts are something which can be initiated by the manufacturers. Thank you.